So ladies and gentlemen, moving forward, would like to invite for the vote of thanks our Vice President S. Mahadevan sir. Can we have you on the stage, please?
Good evening. As Vice President Central, on behalf of my entire team at IPCA, it's my honor and privilege to deliver the vote of thanks at the culmination of the opening ceremony. First of all, I'm thankful to the Almighty for giving us and the team the courage and the spirit to arrange this grand event. Heartfelt thanks to our keynote speaker, Mr. Dilip Raghavan, for sharing his valuable insights on the industry and future trends. I also extend my sincere gratitude to our esteemed Lifetime Achievement Awardee, Sri Vinod Karwaji, for his mentorship, vision, and encouragement to all of us. A big thanks to all the members of the IPCA Apex body, past presidents and patrons for their continued guidance and their support in taking IPCA to greater heights. Thanks to the entire organizing committee and all the volunteers for their tireless effort, dedication and attention to detailing in arrangements of the biennial and ensuring that the event runs smoothly. Finally, a thank you to all of you participants for your valuable presence and your faith in Team IPCA, which is the motivation for us to deliver beautiful programs going forward. Thank you and have a great evening ahead. The bar is declared open now. Thank you.
दोस्तों आज की शाम आपको बाहर एक बहुत ही रंगारंग कार्यक्रम मिलेगा राजस्थानी थीम नाइट है and we didn't want to enforce the dress code, but please do enjoy. One of the greatest artists from this part of the world, from Rajasthan, is going to perform, and the uniqueness is the way the artists are going to stitch in the pyramid in boxes. So please enjoy this wonderful evening and see you outside over networking and drinks. Thanks a lot.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, a very, very beautiful attitude of gratitude for everyone out there. You were a fabulous set of audience. But not to forget, we have a lucky draw that is about to happen tomorrow. I'm going to be coming back with all the details tomorrow morning, 9:30 sharp, right here. This is your host, Mahadevan, signing off for the night. Please do enjoy the beautiful colors of Rajasthan right here. Thank you very much.